Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. This vlog is all about my recent weekend dinner experience with my family at Punjabi Haveli Dhaba, situated on the Siddipet highway around 25 kilometers from the city of Hyderabad. This dhaba has been designed on a Punjabi Haveli theme with a huge caption of "Aavo kabhi Haveli pe" welcoming you at the entrance. There is a colorful truck body placed at the entrance of this dhaba, and one has to enter into the dhaba passing through this truck. This dhaba is located just 100 meters away from the famous Alankrita resorts in Thumkunta village and around 12 kilometers before the Shamirpet lake. The seating style in this dhaba includes both the table and chair seating and the cot style seating that is found in most of the traditional Punjabi dhabas found on the national highways. The interiors of this dhaba are decked up in multiple bright colors, reflecting the vibrant culture of the Punjabis. There is a big screen inside this dhaba where they stream the live sports events and play music videos in the evenings. This dhaba specializes in serving authentic Punjabi cuisine and serves some of the best tandoori murtal wale kulchas and amritsari paranthas. One must definitely try out their kulchas and paranthas served with loads of butter, curd and pickle. For starters, they serve variety of both veg and non-veg tandoori tikkas and kebabs along with Chinese cuisine starters. Their main course menu includes both Indian and Chinese cuisine dishes. The main specialty of this place is the Bahubali lassi, which they claim is the biggest lassi in Hyderabad, priced at Rs 300. This place also serves the regular lassi along with goli soda, which is available in multiple flavors. There is a small children's play area too in this dhaba. If you are looking for a unique Punjabi dhaba to spend some quality time with your loved ones, look no further than this Punjabi Haveli Dhaba. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel, click the like button and add in your valuable comments, and stay tuned to my channel as many more amazing videos are coming up. Thanks for watching, bye and take care.